The Peterbilt 579 hood is susceptible to damage where the strut supports mount. Polyvance has created a kit designed to repair the damaged strut support mounts at a fraction of the cost of buying and installing a new hood. This video will show you how to install Polyvance's PB579 ST strut support mount repair kit. While using the appropriate personal protective equipment listed in the instructions, start by thoroughly cleaning the aluminum casting and damaged area of the hood with Polyvance's EcoPrep plastic cleaner. If the mount isn't completely torn out, you will need to provide clearance for the casting. Use a small reciprocating saw or grinder to cut away the section where the strut attaches. Only remove as much material as required to get the casting to fit flush against the hood. Depending on the hood, some custom shaping may be needed to get the casting to sit flush. Test fit the casting to be sure it fits flush against the hood. Once the casting fits, hold the casting firmly in place and trace around the perimeter with a permanent marker. Use a 50 grit roll-lock disc to grind the area where the casting will be bonded. Be sure to remove all the paint and oxidized plastic within the traced area. Use 60 or coarser grit sandpaper to hand sand any areas not reached with the roll-lock disc. Using the 50 grit roll-lock disc, grind the mating surface of the casting to make the aluminum receptive to the 2510 Plastifix adhesive. Hand sand the areas the roll-lock disc could not reach. Remove the dust from the hood and the aluminum casting where the aluminum casting will mount. Hold the casting firmly in place on the hood, then mark and drill the hole locations with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Remove any remaining dust with compressed air. At this point, you can mount the strut brackets to the casting using the included bolts with blue thread locker to prevent corrosion. The bracket can also be installed after the casting has cured in place for 24 hours. Before applying adhesive, loosely screw the casting to the hood. Using high speed and gentle pressure, drill through the hood using a 1/4 inch drill bit at the location shown. On the outside of the hood, counterbore the 1/4 inch hole a 1/4 inch deep with a 3/8 inch drill bit to provide clearance for the bolt's shoulder. Remove the casting from the inside of the hood. Tap the elevator bolt with a rubber washer into the hole. Tape the bolt in place. Next, apply a generous amount of 2510 Plastifix over the sanded area of the hood. Apply an even larger amount of Plastifix adhesive to the mating surface of the casting. Install the casting onto the hood. Secure it into place with the screws and nut, but do not tighten them. After all the fasteners are in place, manually snug them so the casting sits evenly on the hood without stress. Do not over-tighten the screws. If there are any gaps between the casting and the hood, fill them with more Plastifix adhesive. Wipe off the excess Plastifix from the hood before it hardens and remove the tape from the bolt. Plastifix achieves its maximum strength after curing for 24 hours at 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Anytime after this, any remaining hardware can be attached to the hood and the hood can be put back into service.